What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can send dogs from your regular Telegram wallet to Bybit. Now to do this, the process is really simple. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. Now the first step is to open Telegram wallet and select dogs coin here. Now once you're here, we will go and click on send icon, and here we will go and select external wallet. Now from here we will go and select the network as Tone. Now we're gonna need the address from Bybit. For that we will go to Bybit and click on the bottom right corner, go to assets. Now here go to deposit, open up deposit, and here click on deposit crypto. Now once you're here, we will search dogs just like I have done here. Select dogs, you'll get the memo code and the address. Copy the address and we will go back to Telegram wallet. Remember that you're also going to need the memo code, so don't close it. Remember memo code, and we'll go here and place the address. Here I'm showing you an example of USDT as the process is same. We'll hit continue and proceed. For example, here I will put 1 USD. You will put dogs instead of USD and hit proceed. Now here I need the memo code. After that I will go back to the Bybit and copy the memo code and paste it here. Now that's all the process. It's really easy. I hope the video was useful for you guys. Well, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.